Ever wanted to pick a fresh apple or lemon from your own tree, no matter where you live? Today, I'll show you 8 climate-adaptable fruit trees anyone can grow, from snowy cities to desert patios. Let's dig in and turn your space into a mini orchard. Drop your USDA zone or fruit tree questions in the comments. Meet the Honeycrisp apple, a true superstar among apples, especially if you live in a region where winters are long, cold, and unforgiving. This remarkable variety was bred specifically to withstand harsh climates, making it a favorite for gardeners and orchardists in northern areas. Its resilience to freezing temperatures means you can enjoy a thriving apple tree, even when snow blankets the ground for months on end. Unlike many other apple varieties that struggle in frosty conditions, the Honeycrisp not only survives but truly thrives where winters are brutal. Its cold hardiness ensures that the tree remains healthy and productive year after year, even after the harshest of seasons. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone who wants to grow apples in places where other fruit trees might fail. One of the best things about the Honeycrisp is its versatility. Compact and highly productive, it's perfect for small yards, urban gardens, or even growing in large containers on your patio or balcony. You don't need a sprawling orchard to enjoy homegrown apples, just a sunny spot and a little care. To ensure a bountiful harvest, plant your Honeycrisp alongside another apple variety like Fuji or Gala. This is because apples need cross-pollination to produce fruit. By having 2 different varieties nearby, you'll encourage bees and other pollinators to do their work, resulting in more apples for you to enjoy. Come September, you can look forward to picking crisp, juicy apples right from your own tree. There's nothing quite like the taste of a freshly picked Honeycrisp, sweet, tangy, and incredibly crunchy. Many gardeners say they're even better than store-bought apples, with a flavor and texture that's hard to beat. Caring for a Honeycrisp apple tree is surprisingly easy. It's naturally disease-resistant, which means fewer worries about pests or fungal problems. Just give it full sun, well-drained soil, and a little patience as it grows. Regular pruning will help keep the tree healthy and productive, ensuring a steady supply of apples year after year. If you're short on space, or want to grow your tree in a container, choose a dwarf rootstock. These smaller trees are perfect for patios, decks, or even balconies, and they're easier to manage and harvest. So, if you've been dreaming of growing your own apples but worry that your climate is too cold or unpredictable, the Honeycrisp is your answer. Its adaptability, resilience, and unbeatable flavor make it a must-have for any apple lover, no matter where you live. Imagine stepping into your backyard, balcony, or even your living room and being greeted by the lush, vibrant leaves of a fig tree, one of the most rewarding and effortless fruit trees you can grow. Figs are truly the ultimate low-maintenance fruit tree, making them a Mediterranean marvel that fits seamlessly into any home, no matter where you live. These trees are naturally drought-tolerant, meaning they can thrive even if you occasionally forget to water them. They're also impressively pest-resistant, so you won't have to worry about constant spraying or battling bugs. And best of all, figs are self-pollinating, so you only need one tree to enjoy a bountiful harvest. There are several varieties to choose from, but 2 of the most popular and reliable are the brown turkey and Celeste figs. These varieties are incredibly adaptable, thriving in both containers and garden beds. Whether you live in a humid coastal region, a dry inland area, or somewhere in between, these figs can handle it all. Their versatility means you can enjoy homegrown figs whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a small patio. Don't have a yard? No problem. Figs are perfectly suited for container growing, making them ideal for patios, balconies, and even sunny indoor spaces. All you need is a large pot, some well-draining soil, and a spot that gets plenty of sunlight. Place your fig tree by a south-facing window or out on a sunny balcony and watch it flourish. Even in apartments or homes with limited outdoor space, you can still enjoy the beauty and bounty of a fig tree. One of the most delightful things about figs is their generous harvest. Most fig trees will reward you with 2 crops each year, one in early summer and another in late summer or early fall. And the care they require is minimal. Just provide them with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil, and they'll do the rest. Occasional watering during dry spells and a bit of mulch to retain moisture are all it takes to keep your fig tree happy and productive. Worried about cold weather? The brown turkey fig is known for its ability to tolerate light frost, making it a great choice for gardeners in cooler climates. The Celeste fig, on the other hand, is prized for its ability to ripen fruit even during cool, unpredictable summers. With these varieties, you can enjoy fresh figs even if your growing season is short or your winters are chilly. If you live in an area with harsh winters, simply bring your potted fig tree indoors when the temperatures drop. Place it near a sunny window, and it will continue to thrive throughout the colder months. This flexibility means you never have to worry about losing your tree to frost, and you can enjoy its beauty year-round. There's nothing quite like the experience of picking a sun-warmed, perfectly ripe fig straight from your own tree. The flavor is unmatched, sweet, juicy, and bursting with Mediterranean sunshine. Whether you eat them fresh, add them to salads, or use them in baking, homegrown figs are a true treat. Are you thinking about growing figs, or do you already have a favorite variety? Share your questions, tips, or stories in the comments below. Let's build a community of fig lovers and help each other enjoy this Mediterranean marvel in every home. Pears are tough, productive, and thrive in both cold and heat. Varieties like Moonglow and Seckel are disease-resistant and perfect for backyards or containers. Some are self-fertile, but planting 2 boosts your harvest. Pears adapt to many soils and need just sun and drainage. Dwarf types fit patios or small spaces. They take a few years to fruit, but the wait is worth it. Growing pears? Share your tips or questions below. Meyer lemon trees are container favorites. Grow them anywhere with sun and a frost-free winter spot. Their sweet, fragrant lemons are perfect for drinks and desserts. Compact and self-pollinating, they bloom and fruit year-round indoors or out. In cold climates, bring them inside before frost. In warm zones, leave them out all year. Meyer lemons are beginner-friendly and pest-resistant. Impress friends with homegrown lemons. Share your citrus setups or troubleshooting questions below. Dwarf cherry trees like Montmorency are cold-hardy and perfect for small spaces or containers. They produce pounds of cherries, even in northern climates. Many are self-pollinating, so you only need one. Full sun and well-drained soil keep them happy. Prune for shape, and protect roots in winter if potted. Enjoy spring blossoms and summer fruit. Tried cherries? Share your favorite varieties or tips. Dwarf plums offer beauty and bounty. Upright, compact, and loaded with sweet fruit. Italian and Jefferson plums thrive in hot or cold, and work in gardens or large pots. Spring blooms add ornamental value. Most are partially self-pollinating, but 2 varieties mean more fruit. Protect young trees from late frosts and keep containers watered. Enjoy a cascade of plums every summer. Plum fans, let's talk varieties and growing tips in the comments. When it comes to surviving the toughest conditions, few trees can match the resilience of the serviceberry. This native powerhouse is truly built for endurance, whether it's the biting cold of winter, the scorching heat of summer, extended droughts, or even the challenges of urban pollution. The serviceberry stands tall and unfazed. Its natural toughness makes it a reliable choice for gardeners and landscapers looking for a plant that can handle just about anything Mother Nature throws its way. Serviceberries have adapted over centuries to thrive in North America's diverse climates, from windswept prairies to bustling city streets, making them a smart, sustainable addition to any landscape. But the serviceberry isn't just tough, it's delicious too. The fruit, which ripens in early summer, tastes like a sweet cherry with a subtle hint of almond, offering a unique flavor that's both familiar and surprising. Enjoy them fresh off the branch for a juicy snack, or get creative in the kitchen by making jams, pies, or even wine. Their versatility in recipes makes them a favorite among foragers and home cooks alike, and their nutritional value, packed with vitamins and antioxidants, means they're as healthy as they are tasty. One of the most enchanting features of the serviceberry is its year-round beauty. In spring, the tree is covered in clouds of delicate white flowers, signaling the start of the growing season and attracting pollinators from all around. These blossoms are not only beautiful, but also vital for supporting local bee populations. As summer arrives, those blossoms give way to clusters of vibrant berries, providing both visual interest and a feast for birds and people alike. Come fall, the foliage transforms into a brilliant display of red, orange, and gold, lighting up the landscape with autumn color. Even in winter, the serviceberry's graceful branching structure adds architectural interest to gardens, standing out against the snow and providing shelter for wildlife. Thanks to its compact size and adaptability, the serviceberry is perfect for small yards, patios, or even container gardens. It tolerates a wide range of soils, from sandy to clay, and doesn't require much fuss, making it an excellent choice for beginner gardeners or anyone with limited space. Its versatility means you can enjoy its beauty and bounty almost anywhere. Beyond its beauty and flavor, the serviceberry plays a crucial role in supporting local wildlife. Birds, bees, and butterflies all rely on its flowers and fruit for food, while its branches offer shelter and nesting sites. By planting a serviceberry, you're not just enhancing your garden, you're helping to sustain the ecosystem around you. Best of all, serviceberries are easy to grow and remarkably reliable year after year. With minimal care, just some sunlight, occasional watering, and a little pruning, they'll reward you with beauty, fruit, and wildlife for decades. Their low-maintenance nature makes them a favorite for busy gardeners and those seeking sustainable landscaping solutions. Are you growing serviceberries in your garden? We'd love to hear your experiences. Share your favorite tips, recipes, or stories in the comments below, and let's celebrate the many ways this remarkable native tree enriches our lives and landscapes. Pomegranates thrive in hot, dry climates and are surprisingly happy in containers. Drought-resistant and low-maintenance, they need just sun and well-drained soil. Varieties like Wonderful and Grenada are productive and self-pollinating. Protect young plants from frost. Move containers indoors if needed. Enjoy fiery blooms and jewel-like fruit, great fresh or in salads. Pest and disease-resistant, they're perfect for busy growers. Tried pomegranates? Share your experience or questions below. That's 8 resilient fruit trees for any climate. Apples, figs, pears, lemons, cherries, plums, serviceberries, pomegranates. With a little planning, you can enjoy fresh fruit anywhere. Share your questions or success stories in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more expert gardening tips and keep growing. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.